What's the meaning of archaeology? Archaeology. Archaeology.
Archaeology. Archaeology. Archaeology is the study of human history and prehistory through the excavation and analysis of artifacts, structures, and other physical remains. It involves examining evidence from material culture to gain insight into past societies and cultures. By studying ancient objects and sites, archaeologists can reconstruct the daily lives, customs, and beliefs of people long gone. The ultimate goal of archaeology is to understand and interpret the past in order to shed light on the present and inform the future. Through their work, archaeologists contribute to the preservation and understanding of human history and culture.